This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 4, Lesson 9, Exit Ticket. Our first question says, select the equation to find the area for rectangle A. Here is rectangle A. So the length of this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And the length across the other direction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So how do we figure out the total? We would be multiplying 6 times 6. That's your answer. Our next question says select the equation to find the area for rectangle B. All right, so let's count up the length of units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the side and 3 across the top. How would we figure this out? You multiply arrays. So this is 6 times 3. Number 4, what is the area of rectangle A? So it was 6 times 6. What is 6 times 6? That's right, it's 36. So the area of rectangle A is 36 square units. Number 5, what is the area of rectangle B? So we have 6 and 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. So the area of rectangle B is 18 square units. Number 6, Lamar pushes rectangle A next to rectangle B to make a bigger rectangle. So what is the area of the bigger rectangle? Okay, so he pushes them together. So all this comes over here. It's joined. There are still 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But now the number of columns is different. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can count them like this, or we could add them together. So we have 6 times 6 plus 6 times 3. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18. And when you add those together, let's line them up. Add the ones place. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5. 5 in the tens place. So the area would be 54 square units.